I'm now with Paul Reynolds on the 750 Motor Club stand. Good afternoon, Paul, and welcome to Race Retro 2018.
Thank you very much.
So could you tell me something about this special design chassis we've got up here?
Yeah, it's 1972 IGM T4, so it's designed by Gordon Murray for the original Formula 750 formula. Unfortunately, he didn't get a chance to finish the design completely, and it's part built. We've got most of the plans for it, but Gordon Murray got made into up to chief designer at Brabham and didn't have the time basically to finish the design. But he's taken the original chassis back. It used to belong to my brother, and we are building, or I am building, a replica, and with his blessing. So hopefully he'll get round to finishing the design and we can finish our chassis.
And the front of the chassis here, wasn't that used on the BT44, Brabham BT44, or something similar?
Yes, the design is the first ever pull rod front suspension car, and he designed it in 72, as I say. A couple of years later he designed his first clean sheet of paper Formula 1 design, and that was the BT44, and basically he says he took the whole of the front end of this car, scaled it up and honked it on BC44. Said it saved him a month of work.
So, okay, it's in this position now, and you're going to hopefully get it rebuilt. So, when do you think it's going to be ready? That's the £1,000,000 question, isn't it?
I'm afraid it is. Really, it depends on Gordon Murray finishing the design details. There's things such as the roll hoop aren't finished, never been designed. Various other aspects, but I think he's quite busy at the moment making a new road car and a new road car factory company that is starting. So we shall see when he actually manages to finish it.
And of course the other question I've got to ask you now is, when it is finished, who's going to drive it?
Of course I am. Well, I hope so. Either myself or one of my sons, because I've got two sons who are quite keen on the idea of dropping into it. So hopefully that will be in the next year or so's time.
Well, I hope it all goes well, Paul. I hope you get it on the track. It'd be good to see it, and be interesting to see how it handles and how it actually performs. And thank you very much for the interview, Paul. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
It's great. Thanks.